Now to the case against Casey Anthony and a number of motions heard before Judge Perry. This fast pace of this case is very new now that there's a new judge. Tomorrow, in fact, will be another morning spent in court. News 13's Jacqueline Fell was at today's hearing, and Jackie, the judge, is certainly clearing his calendars for these hearings.
Well, Christine, the trial is set for May 9th, 2011, and Judge Perry are keeping these attorneys on track. In fact, one time today during the hearing, he cut an attorney off and said, "Get to the point." Now, we heard about 6 or 7 motions today. Some of them, though, had been filed months ago. Some were granted, others denied. One we're going to talk about, though, is the change of venue. Anthony's defense says Casey can't get a fair trial here in Orange County. They say there's too much hostility towards the young mother accused of killing her daughter. Now, the judge granted the change, but the trial is still going to be held here. Judge Perry and the defense and the state will go somewhere else, another county similar to Orange, and pick a jury and bring them back here for the trial. They will be sequestered, and once the judge decides which county to pick the jurors, the attorneys will not be allowed to talk to us. Perry will impose a gag order. Now, the defense says this wasn't their first choice, but really, there's nothing they can do.
Just going to have to deal with it. There's very little on the law that deals with these issues. A lot rests on judicial discretion, and if that's where Judge Perry if this is where Judge Perry feels that the trial should be held, that's where we're going to have it, and we'll be fine with that.
Now, the defense pushed to take the trial south. They said there's not much attention paid to this case there. But picking a jury isn't going to be easy. 2 months is what the trial is expected to last. That means you're going to be moving people here, putting them in a hotel room, no TV, no cell phones, no family time. It could be quite difficult. Coming up later on News 13, we're going to talk with Jose Baez about what this could mean for his client and her case. Christine?
Jackie, another motion are those so-called party pictures of Casey at clubs and bars. The defense wants them thrown out, but the state says it shows her whereabouts when her daughter was reportedly missing. Who wins?
Well, the judge did hear the arguments today. However, he's not making a decision just yet. He did say, though, that he has some concerns on the photos. The defense says they don't prove anything, they don't show anything, there's no reason to have them. But the state says, should the defense try to play that Casey Anthony was a good mother, as part of their defense, these pictures could help the state with their case against Casey.
All right, News 13's Jacqueline Fell reporting outside the Orange County Courthouse.